not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm watch number 420 has been canceled for the following counties in Wisconsin: Dodge, Fond du Lac, Jefferson, and Walworth. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ozaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Random Lake to near Pleasant Prairie, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Milwaukee,